hoping to find a babe, yeah. Ooh, 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 225, lucky stars on a cheap visit price. For this guy who's giving me what I like. When I slide on a beat while we high, but I fell off, let it right on my face, yeah. Can't hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't matter, I'm still amazing. I'm fit, see, you don't like me anymore. So happy having always been, yeah. I know it can be frightening to let it go. Oh, the Southland.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is full of spring cleaning, spring decorating, and there's an easy bake with me recipe at the end. The recipe is so easy it shouldn't even be called baking, but it's so good that I had to share it. We're going to get the room cleaned, the windows, the baseboards, the surfaces, and then work on the pretty spring tablescape that's easy to recreate with fresh flowers and simple decor. After the room was decorated, the entire entryway felt fresh and reminded me that summer is just around the corner. I seriously can't wait. So we're going to start by working on the windows. It was such a beautiful day that opening up the windows felt so good and definitely motivated me to get started on spring cleaning. If you are here for only the decorating, there are timestamps in my description, so you can just jump right ahead to the decorating part. But as you can see, the windows were so dirty from being closed up all season and had some dirt and water spots, so we're going to get that all wiped down and all cleaned up.
I know it can be frightening to let it Fell off, landed right on my face, yeah. Can't hear the star killer bass, yeah. It don't.
Another reason I am so excited for today's video is because it is a collaboration with Ashley Aaron. She's an absolute queen in decorating. Everything about her is beautiful, her decorating, her home, her personality, and she is gorgeous. She has a fun spring tablescape to share with you and a spring decor haul, so make sure you head over to her channel because I know you will feel inspired and fall in love with her content. You guys, her Christmas decor from last year was amazing, so make sure you watch her older videos for more inspiration. Head over there and let her know that I sent you.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you
So now that we've got the windows and the shutters all cleaned up, we're going to go ahead and wipe down the walls. We're going to start with the baseboards and the wainscoting here in the dining room. And I know you can't see it on camera, but it was so dusty. I don't remember the last time that I wiped this down. It may have been when we painted the room. And also I want to let you guys know we are getting the rest of the house painted, and I will be vlogging that for you with a lot of before and afters. So make sure that you're subscribed and your notification bell is on so you can see all of that progress.
Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna
To revive all of this wood in the dining room, I am using the Pledge moisturizing oil in the amber and argan scent, and I think I got this from Target, but I really recommend it. You guys, it smells so good.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel.
Okay, now for the fun part. So we're gonna start with the decorating, and this table runner is from Target. I did buy it last fall. The really simple decor that I'm going to be using today, a lot of it is from Target. Some of it is things that I had in the home. Some of it is from Michael's, and of course we're decorating with fresh flowers today. The rattan table chargers are from Target from the Threshold collection, and I will have those linked for you in my description box. The little mini pink flower arrangements are from Target Dollar Spot, and you'll find those now. I bought them this season. My white plates are from the Dollar Tree. Cream chargers are from Michael's, and the gray saddle plates are also from Target Threshold collection.
I'm looking, with you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
For the centerpiece, I'm just going to be using some fresh flowers. The carnations and tulips I just found at my local grocery store, and fresh flowers are a really easy, cheaper way to decorate for the season, especially if you buy seasonal flowers. And I just love tulips. They're so beautiful, and I'm excited to see them open up, and I think they will look really beautiful here in the center.
Forever, forever, I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
To share with you an easy DIY napkin holder. I couldn't find what I was looking for in the stores, and I remembered that I have spring bouquets I found at Walmart. All I did was cut a pink rose from the bouquet with enough stem to be able to create a ring, and then I wrapped one end underneath the flower and twisted it to create the ring. Then just thread your napkin through it, and voila, easy DIY napkin ring.
Now choose, you know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. The sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this, holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this, knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets, I can seem to move this thing.
And for this floral arrangement, I had it up for Christmas, and all I'm going to do is keep the white poinsettias. I know that poinsettias are typically for the Christmas season, but I love them, especially these. They have a little sparkle in them, and I just think that they are gorgeous. I bought these at Hobby Lobby, and then I'm going to take that same spring bouquet that I found at Walmart, and I'm going to deconstruct it and just add some of these pink pieces into the flower arrangement just to tie it in with this spring tablescape and make it look a lot more seasonal.
I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me, I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
Pick up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark, lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head on the ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone, when you're naked and broken with nowhere to go? Does somebody know? Does somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody
Spruce up the entryway a little bit, I'm going to be using this gorgeous wreath from Target. This is also the Threshold collection. I'm only keeping it very simple in the entryway because, like I said, we are having the rest of this house painted, but I really wanted to add something that would tie in with the dining room and that tablescape. So I'm just keeping it really simple here with this beautiful wreath, and I'm taking out the dark stems in the flower arrangement.
what you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you're left out alone. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head on the ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone, when you're naked and broken, nowhere to go? Does somebody know?
Now for the easiest cake ever that shouldn't even be called baking. We're going to go ahead and layer all of our ingredients. Make sure that you grease the bottom of your pan really well, and then just go ahead and add whatever fruit filling. I am using strawberry and pineapple, and together they are so good, especially for spring. Go ahead and sprinkle your cake mix evenly on top. Make sure all of the filling is covered, and then take your butter and slice it thinly. You need 1.5 cups of butter thinly sliced, and just layer it on top of the cake mix. And then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour. This cake is so good. It's like a cross between a butter cookie and a strawberry pie, and the pineapple just gives it a little bit of citrus so that it's not too sweet. But you can bake this for an hour and then serve it with some whipped cream on top, and you guys, it is so good. I really recommend that you try this. You will love it.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder for me. Oh, harder for me. Maybe we're over it, or maybe just lovers, 'cause under the covers, baby, you're showing me how to be fearless.
I really hope that you try this cake. I know that you will love it. It is so delicious and so easy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you head over to Ashley's channel and watch her spring decorate with me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and that it gave you motivation and some inspiration for spring. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
And I'm just above it all, but I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body too. Yeah, body too.